We love General Tso chicken so much that I tried to adapt it with beef. Here is a meal consisting of General Tso beef balls served with fried noodles. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by marinating the beef. Put the beef in a mixing bowl. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Put them with the beef. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of fine spice powder, 40 grams of breadcrumbs. Combine. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Finely cut 1 onion, chop 5 cloves of garlic, grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Mince 5 grams of cilantro. Now, prepare the General Tso sauce. In a bowl, put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Mix all together. Add 20 centiliters of meat stock or water. Combine. Make 20 balls with the marinated beef. Put a little oil on your hands to prevent the meat from sticking. Now we can start cooking. First, fry the noodles. Cook 500 grams of dehydrated noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes over high heat. The cooking time for noodles is usually indicated on the packaging. Stir from time to time. Drain them. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan, heated over high heat. Put half tablespoon of sugar and let caramelize. When the bubbles appear, add half the garlic and half the ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the noodles and half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and keep them warm. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the meatballs. Let them grill. Flip them every 2 minutes. The cooking time takes 8 minutes. Remove them. In the same pan over medium heat, put the other half of the ginger and the garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the onion. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Put the General Tso sauce. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add the meatballs. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Put the cilantro. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. General Tso beef balls are ready. Enjoy them with the fried noodles. Bon appétit! The beef balls are tasty. The sweet and sour sauce goes perfectly with the meatballs and the noodles. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.